ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Dear students, good morning. Welcome to Web Technologies class. Previous class we have covered the topic with objects, JavaScript objects. What is the JavaScript? What are the objects? We have covered that topic. Okay, what is the difference between the primitives and objects in JavaScript? Primitive means single value, name value pair. Just name equal to Srinivas. That is a primitive. Name is a type of a string. Okay, this is primitive means only single name value pairs. Object means a collection of name value pairs. In previous session we have covered this topic about objects, how to create the objects, two methods for creating object and accessing the objects. We have seen those programs. Now in this session we will do some work with primitives. Okay, JavaScript primitives. Once again we will see the difference between these primitive values. Primitives. JavaScript is a loosely typed language. The first point is JavaScript is loosely typed language. JavaScript allows to work with primitives. Primitive means basic data types. Okay, JavaScript to work with primitives, strings, numbers, etc. as they were objects. The key distinction between primitives and objects. This is the important point. What is the difference between the primitive and an object? Okay, the key distinction between define a primitive. Primitive is a value of primitive type. It is a value of primitive type. There are 7 primitive types. Here there are 7 primitive types in JavaScript. They are, what are the 7 primitive types? Number, big int, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol. Okay, the primitive types available in JavaScript are number, big int, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol. Okay, just I want to, we will see at the time of doing programs, we will see how to do this one. Okay, this is the difference between the primitive. Just a primitive means just it contains one value only, a collection of values, whereas in object it is capable of storing multiple values as per properties. Can be created with, okay, this can be created with two methods. Previous session we have seen how to create the objects. Okay, MVR is of the type object. We will see the programs at the time of doing that one. Okay, data types. We all know that there is no static typing in JavaScript. Static typing means in C language, in order to declare variable, we will write statement like this: a comma b comma c. Okay, this type of writing is called static. Okay, int abc. In C language we will like statements like this in C. It is called declaring the variables like in this fashion. It is called static typing. Static typing. C is a statically typed programming language. JavaScript, there is no static typing in JavaScript. Okay, there is no static type in JavaScript. This is a golden word. There is no static type in JavaScript. Okay, there is no static type in JavaScript. Okay, once again we will say, I am saying that variable, I am declaring the value of the variable a equal to 5. What is the type of a? Type of a is number. A equal to, in next line I will change the a equal to Srinivas. Now what is the type of a? Type of a is string. Previously it is integer. Dynamically it is changed to another type. So it is a loosely typed programming language. JavaScript is a loosely typed programming language. There is no type in JavaScript. Okay, at one point of time, suppose x is a variable. At what in the same program, in the same file. Okay, X is number type, X is big int type, X is string type, X is boolean type, X is undefined, like that. Okay, at different parts it may be a different type. Okay, this is called dynamic typing. This feature is not there in C language. Okay, before use of the variable, we must declare the type of the variable, but it is not allowed to change it from integer type to string type to integer, like that. Okay, in order to know the type of a variable a, in order to print the type of a, we will use the statement type of a. Okay, the type of operator returns a string. Okay, this is the operator, type of operator. The type of operator returns a string indicating the type of the variable JavaScript has evaluated at runtime. There are 7 primitive object type. Okay, whenever you are writing about primitives, you have to write the primitives available in JavaScript are, what are they? Number, big int, string, boolean, null, undefined, and symbol. These are the primitives. Okay, using this we will write the small programs. When we say primitive, it means that whenever we are saying the primitive, it means that the values are represented directly at the lowest level of the language implementation. They are immutable. Mutable, they cannot be altered. Immutable. Immutable means, I will say something about immutable. Not only in JavaScript, everywhere in computer science, these terms will come: mutable and immutable. What is the difference between mutable and immutable? Mutable object, immutable object. Okay, mutable. Mutable means, suppose this is the cell phone M21, Samsung M21 cell phone. Okay, what is the cost of this cell phone? What is the cost of this cell phone? Suppose it is 15,000. Okay, after 2 months, what is the cost of this cell phone? It may be decreased or it may be increased. Okay, suppose after 2 months, it may the cost of this cell phone is 13,000. After 5 months, it come to, after 5 or 6 months, the cost will comes to 10,000. After 3 years or 4 years, okay, it may be value only 4,000. Okay, the cost is mutable. It is changing forever. Okay, one time it has one value, another time it has one value, another time it has one value, another time it has one value. Okay, okay, this is changeable. The cost of this cell phone is changing. The variable cost is, the value cost is mutable. Mutable means changes are allowed. Okay, this is about mutable. Next, immutable. Okay, my name is Srinivas. Okay, I am Srinivas. Okay, what is my name in 3 years back? Same Srinivas. After 3 years, Srinivas. After some time, after 10 years, Srinivas. Okay, is it changed or not? No. Who is the faculty handling web technology subject to you? At any lifetime, at any point of time in your life, if anyone asked who is the faculty for web technologies, okay, you will say that Srinivas sir. Srinivas is the faculty of MBR College of Engineering and Technology. He is handling this subject. Is it changed or not? Okay, the name of the faculty, it is not changed forever. Okay, my name is not changed. My name, 3 days back my name is Srinivas. 1 year back my name is Srinivas. 10 years back my name is Srinivas. Okay, after 10 years also my name is Srinivas only. Okay, don't think too much about exception. Okay, there is a chance after 1 year I don't like my name as Srinivas. I want to change my name as Balaji. Okay, exception cases, don't go to that much of depth. Okay, this I am saying mainly about mutable, immutable. Mutable means able to change, its value is able to change. The object whose value is able to change, those are called mutable. Immutable, whose value is not changed. Okay, my name is not changed forever. Okay, from the starting to ending, my name is Srinivas only. Okay, the name of my, this is example for mutable or immutable. Mutable. Immutable, mutable or immutable? Immutable means changes are not allowed. Mutable means changes are allowed. Okay, this is mutable. It cannot be altered. Okay, this is about mutability, immutability. Okay, next we will see. Okay, are you understand about mutable and immutable? Mutable means changing. Okay, mutable, remember about the cell phone, the cost of cell phone. The cost of cell phone is vary time to time. This is so the cost is mutable. Okay, immutable means not to changing. Okay, my name is not changed forever. Okay, the name of a person, the name of a faculty. Okay, this is a immutable. Okay, this is about mutability and immutability. Okay, now we will go through the subject. Primitives means the values represent directly at the lowest level of language of implementation. They are immutable, they cannot be altered. Okay, their value cannot be altered. Okay, they are always copied by value instead of reference. Just instead of reference, we are using, they are always copied by values a equal to b. Suppose the statement is a equal to b. The value of b will be copied to a. A equal to c. The value of c is copied to a. Not address. A equal to ampersand of b means the address of b will come into a. Okay, here we are not saying about address. Here we are not saying about address. Okay, this is about copying. They are always copied by value instead of reference. Okay, next one. They do not have any associated functions to perform operations on them. They do not have any associated functions to perform operations on them. Okay, this is about primitives. Just primitive means name value pairs. In JavaScript there are four types of primitives are available. So not four, seven type of primitives are available. In JavaScript, how many types of primitives are available? Okay, these are the primitives. Seven types of primitives are available. Number, big and string, boolean, null, undefined symbol. Using type of operator, we can print the primitive. Now we will see some programs on primitives. Okay, just I am declare the one variable. I will print the type of a. I will show you how it will work. Okay, now I am going to the folder in which folder we are doing always these programs in D colon MVR Web Technologies Unit 2 JavaScript. Next I am creating one new file, edit with Notepad++, file, save as PRI, primitives. What is the type of the file? The type of the file is HTML, hypertext markup language file. Save. Okay, primitive.html. Now I am created the file whose name is primitive.html. Okay, not one time, two time, lakhs of times I am covered this one. This is the basic structure of HTML page. Okay, HTML contains header section. If I don't want head means just skip, no problem. Head/head. What are the parts of the head? Title and another also we are covered. Link. Okay, external style sheets. Okay, style. Okay, those are the parts of the head. Title slash title title slash title. In title I will write working with primitives in JavaScript JS, working with JavaScript. After header section the main is body slash body. In this body I will write the scripting statements. Okay, the introduction, MVR College of Engineering. Just I will write a normal text. This is not the script. MVR College of engineering and technology. We are College of Engineering and Technology. Next, now I will write the script statements. Next line onwards. Break. How to write the script? Now the movie will start. This is the starting point of the movie. Till now, just we have till now we have a number of times we have covered. Now the movie will start. Okay, all the script lies between which tag? Script. 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 What is the language? This is optional. Language equal to, what is the name of the language we are writing? JavaScript. What is the other scripts? VB script. JavaScript language equal to JavaScript. This is optional. By default the script is this one only. SCRIPT script. Okay. Now here I am writing one statement. Document dot, what is the printing value? Write. Document dot write. Document dot write welcome. Okay, I will keep this in h1 slash h1. Just testing. Till now I am not used any primitives. Just I am touching whether document dot write welcome. Okay, last semicolon is optional. If you want to keep, no problem. Leave it also, no problem. Okay, I am saving this file. Next, I am running. How to run this file? Go to the folder. Where is the primitive? Yes, this is here. It is the primitive. Okay, welcome. Okay, you'll observe welcome is not in H1 font. Okay, why it is not H1? Both of them are closed. Control S. Okay, once again go to this file. Now press the F5 button, refresh button. Okay, welcome. Okay, now script starts. This is the starting script. I am declaring the variable A. Okay, now I want to print the type of the A. What is the type of A? Document dot to write. Type of variable, type of primitive A is. Okay, what is the type of the primitive? How to print type? Using type of A. Control S. Okay, here I will put the break statement. In next line it will come. Type of primitive A is. Okay, is there any value in this one? We will see. Just I am declaring the variable, just VARA. What type it will print, we will see. Just go to the browser and press the F5 button. You will get the type of primitive A is undefined. Okay, we are not defined. We are not placed any value. If we declare the value, we declare the value variable x. We are not placed any integer, floating or string or boolean, any type of value. Its type by default, its type is undefined. Okay, the type of the primitive A is undefined. Next, in this file only I will do all this work. Type I will declare another variable b. Okay, equal to 5. In B, I am placing the value 5. B equal to 5. Okay, type of primitive B is. Okay, in place of type B. Control S. Okay, variable B equal to that one. I am placing that one. type of the primitive b is, what is the type of the primitive b expect? 5 means number. Type of primitive b is number. Okay, we are saying that Java is loosely typed programming language. Now, at this point of time in that program, b is a number. Okay, b has some integer value, number. Now I am placing some string value in b. What will happen? We will see. Okay, this is the program. B has integer now. B equal to B equal to, I will write here name. Actually, we will write MVR. Always MVR not good. We will write another name. Rohit. Rohit. Okay, B contains the string value. Now I am printing the value. Now I am printing the value. Go to the browser, save this file. Just go to the browser, press the F5 button for refresh. The type of B is string. Previously, the type of B is a number. Observe the output here. In this one, observe the output clearly. The type of A is undefined. Okay, B is a number. Type of primitive B is string. Okay, when we place an integer value in a variable, when we place an integer value or floating point, its type is number. Whenever we change it, that number to some name, its type is string. Okay, type equal to number, type equal to string. Now at present, at this situation, the type of the variable b is string. Now I want to change that string to another number, b equal to true. Okay, now I am printing the type. Once again I am printing the type of b is. Okay, this is the statement. I am printing this one. Type of primitive b is type of b. Using the document of write statement we can print. Okay, observe the here code. Just okay, I have written the line b equal to true, document dot to write. Okay, just I am copied pasted this one. Type of b is type of b. The same statement, if it contains integer, it prints the type of b is number. If it contains string, the type of b is Rohit. It contains some true value, it prints the type of b is boolean. We will see just it will come or not. We will see. Just go to this page and press refresh. Okay, it is not coming boolean. I think we have not saved this file. Okay, save. Now once again go to this one, press F5 button, refresh. Okay, the type of the primitive b is boolean. Okay, the same variable, it is doing actions. One time it is number. If it contain number, its type is number. If it contains string, its type is string. If it contains true or false value, then its type is boolean. Okay, this is about primitive types. This is the just in exams, no too depth questions. Just you have to in JavaScript, the available primitives are, these are the primitives. Primitive means it contains only single value, name, one name and value only, variable x. X is a primitive. Object means it contains multiple values. In JavaScript has 7 types of primitives. What are the names of the primitives? JavaScript contains 7 types of primitives. What are the names of that primitives? Number. First one is the, you have to write this one. Number, bigint, string, boolean, null, undefined and symbol. 7 primitive types are there. Till now we have seen number, string, boolean, undefined. Okay, others also like this only. Bigint means larger number of integers, large size number of integers placed, we will use the bigint. If we create a symbol object, new symbol variable x equal to new symbol of Srinivas Okay, Srinivas B is the primitive of the type symbol. Okay, once again I am saying variable x equal to new symbol of MVR. X is a variable of the primitive of the type symbol. Using the symbol keyword, symbol word, we can create the symbol type primitives. Okay, this is about the topic primitives. Next, we will see the topic. The next topic is expressions. Okay, expressions. I will explain outline. I am not doing any programs on the expression. Yourself will try. Later in part of this JavaScript also, the number of times these expressions will come. These expressions will come. At that time we will see. Okay, what are the different types of expressions? What is a expression? Give the definition for the expression. Any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value is an expression. Okay, once again, what is expression? The term expression is defined as something is there, a plus b plus c into 3 sum. If we solve that one, we will get one value. 3 plus 4 plus 5. We will solve that one, we will get one value. 3 plus 4, 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12. This is the expression. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is the expression. Okay, give the definition for the expression. Any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value is an expression. Once again, any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value is an expression. Any unit, once again, repeatedly saying, I am 2 or 3 times are saying, if you have still doubt, then watch the video from, pause the video and write on the notes. Okay, this is the golden word. Okay, keep notes separately for these for web technologies. In last 2 pages, really only for golden words. Heading, put the heading golden words in web technologies. While the classes are going on from any unit, from first unit to last unit, I will say some statements. Okay, those are not changed forever. Those are immutable. The golden words are not immutable. Now this is the one golden word. Next time, next, no, not like that. Okay, the sun rises east means always east. Whenever I am saying the one golden word means that is always gold forever. Okay, next one, the what is the definition of the expression? Okay, not here in JavaScript. In C language expression is there, Java expression is there, JavaScript expression is there, anytime. Okay, what is the basic definition of the expression? Any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value. Any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value is an expression. Write on the notes. Okay, all of them type the same word in the comment box. Those who are watching this video at this point of time. Okay, type this one in your chat box. Okay, now only type this one. Any unit of code that can be evaluated, evaluated to a value is an expression. Okay, expression means this one. Now in this class I have given the statement for expression more than 10 times. Now last time I am saying any unit of code that can be evaluated to a value is an expression. Okay, statements and expressions are very important. Statements and expressions are very important in JavaScript. Okay, what expression, we know that what is the expression. What are the different types of expressions, we will see. Different types of expressions are arithmetic expressions. Okay, arithmetic expressions. Arithmetic expressions evaluate to a numeric value. Examples include the following. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, 10 is an expression. Okay, 10 plus 13, 10 plus 13 is an expression. These are the examples of the arithmetic expressions. 10 plus 13, 10 itself is an expression. 10 plus 13 is itself an expression whose value is 23, whose numeric value is 10. String expressions. Hello is a one string. Hello plus word evaluates to hello world. These are the examples for the string expressions. String expressions are evaluated to a string. Examples include these: hello, comma, hello world. Okay, another example. Okay, that is about string expressions. Logical expressions. Logical expression means expressions that evaluates to the boolean value true or false are considered as logical expressions. Okay, logical expressions. After solving the expression, we will get the value as true or false. Those type of expressions are called logical expressions. Okay, 10 greater than 9, true or false? It will say either true or false. 10 less than 20, true or false? A equal to 20 and B equal to 9, true or false? After solving that expression, we will get the answer is either true or false. Only among these two, only one will come. Those type of expressions are called logical expressions. Logical expressions are the expressions. After evaluating those expressions, we will get the value. Result is either one of the two, true or false. Okay, these are the examples for the logical expressions. 10 greater than 9, 10 less than 20, A equal to B, and these are the logical expressions. Okay, the set of expressions while writing logical expressions, we will use this operator and. For and symbol, we will use this operator. Or symbol, we will use this operator. And not symbol, we use this operator, not. Okay, and 2 times ampersand. Next, primary expressions. Okay, see here. Primary expressions refers to a standalone expression such as literal values, certain keywords and variable values. Examples include the following: hello world, 23, true, sum, these. Next, left hand side expressions, also known as L values. Okay, L value, R value is there. Okay, these type of expressions are called left hand side expressions. I equal to 10. Okay, 10 value will come into the I. Total equal to 0. 0 will come into the I. Object dot x. 10 will come into the object dot x. Array of 0 will contain 20. All these are called left hand type expressions. Okay, assignment expression. Average equal to 55. Equal to. Equal to is an assignment operator. Actually, equal to means 2 times we have to say that value. Equal to, equal to. Okay, but this equal to is a assignment operator. Average equal to 55. When expression uses the equal to operator to assign a value to a variable, it is called assignment expression. Average equal to 55, assignment expression. B equal to A equal to 1. 1 is assigned to A, that once again A value is assigned to B. Another assignment expression. Expressions with side effects. Okay. Okay, this is not required. Okay, if you want to go through means go through this material also, this step also, expressions with side effects. Last statement. Statement. A statement is an instruction to perform specific action. Okay, this is also a golden statement. Okay, what is a statement? A statement is a instruction to perform specific action. Okay, this is about statement. Okay, in unit 2 we have covered the objects, primitives and expressions. Okay, this is the introduction. Okay, after completion of today's class, just go through JavaScript, whatever the Word file and notes. The notes is available in the shared folder. I will give link after uploading this file. I will share the link to you. Okay, go through these notes also. Whatever we are watching here, those are available. Just keep separate notes, keep adding objects, and write all this. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Next, I will come up with new topic.